Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Just did something exciting, thought I'd show it to you. Looks like it's time to pull my garlic and look at the results. Okay, wow, I just pulled this garlic out of the ground to do a test and see if they were ready. I've never had garlic this big in my life. Yeah, that is huge. Okay, here we go. This one should be small. It's got a nice small neck on it. That's okay, that's a small one. Oh man. They have really good root structure on them. Nice big one. There we go. This is the early garlic. So I'm just going to pull this first, and then before we pull any more, we'll test the rest because I don't want to pull it too early. All the rain has really helped. Wonderful. Some of it's huge, some of it's, normal size. There we go. Oh, this one should be big. Very thick neck on that one. This one's a tiny one. Not all of them turned out big. This is the size that I'm used to growing, guys. Right here. So, compared, you can see the difference. Yeah, that's the normal size that I used to grow. So not all of them are going to be huge. But, oh. My goodness. Whew. Oh man, that's a big one. And I thought I fed him too much nitrogen. I guess not, guys. I guess not. Maybe I put them a little too close together. Because we have these small ones that are decent size. I mean, you see that size in the store. So, holy cow. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Okay. They are getting a little smaller. This one should be decent size. When they get that thick neck like that, that's when you know that they're a decent size for sure. Okay. Oh my goodness. This was kind of an impromptu thing. I didn't know if the garlic was done or not, but obviously it is. Okay, got a lot more garlic to go. Wow. Just telling my husband the other day, I need to make something to dry my garlic and my onions on. And here I am pulling it before I have something to dry it on. But it's ready, and now I can use this bed for something else. I think I'm going to dress this bed up and I did put it, in some really good soil, so that helps too. And then as soon as the weather got hot, I stopped feeding it, guys. Some people say you can keep on feeding it nitrogen for a long time, but I stopped feeding it when the weather got hot, and then it rained and rained and rained, so it needs lots and lots of water, just like your onions do. And oh my goodness, it's like, wow. My goodness, this is so beautiful. A little one. Oh, this one's gonna be nice and big. Okay. All right. Now, let's see how these ones are. A little bit smaller. It's okay. Oh, I would have been happy with this size. But I think these ones on this side are going to be smaller, and that's okay. And I know that because of what I've saw so far. The trunks are a little smaller, so that one's nice and big. I did make sure that I weeded well. And I think the rain had a lot to do with it. So now I know we've had a lot of rain. And so now I know what these kind of things need. Thank you, Lord, for this year. Oh, man. That is huge. My goodness. Wow. You can see that this soil's nice and soft. Wow, this is gigantic. My goodness. Grass. My goodness. Wow. Oof. And I'm betting some of these could have gone a little longer. You can see how green those tops are still. Here I am afraid I was giving it too much nitrogen. I even told my sister-in-law, because she gave me the seeds, or the garlic to plant. You just want to shake the dirt off. You don't want to take off all the dirt. Ugh. My goodness. Holy cow. Holy cow. Ugh. Oh. Thank you, Lord, for your grace. Oh. That's a decent sized one. Oh. Wow. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Now, this is what's going on with my onions. Look how big that sucker is. It just keeps on growing and growing. And I'm waiting for them to die back. They're not even close to dying back. These, I think I need to spoon like I spooned these red ones over here, and it seemed to help them because their soil is kind of on the hard side. But these are Walla Walla, so hopefully they get to this size because they're known to get this size. But yeah. What a blessing, you guys. What a blessing. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, the tips and tricks. So what I did is I soaked my garlic cloves in overnight in a solution. And I'll show you a picture of that right here. I forget the name of it. And then I put it in the ground. I put compost down before I put it in the ground, and I put some biotone in there, and then planted it. And then I started feeding it. I probably gave it 10 feedings of my duck water that I've been giving my onions, and my onions look fantastic too. I'll show you in a minute. And this is what I got, and I could about cry. I could about cry. I'm so excited. This is wonderful. Thank you, Lord. Anyways, back to work. Okay, guys, I was hoping to get this put on like a screen, but hopefully it will do okay on these tables. So this is the first row, and I'll put a list of the varieties that I have here. I don't remember them, and they washed off the markers I had. So beautiful, beautiful garlic heads here. And so hopefully these can all dry off really good. We had some small ones, but that's okay. Some of them are too close to each other, so I'll have to remember that for last time. But even if we have some small ones, my small ones are just as good as the kind I used to grow. So, and then this is our other table layered off here and looking fantastic. So there you go. Garlic season 2024. Thank you for watching today, guys. My goodness, what a blessing. I am so... I thought I failed because I would stick my finger in there and they weren't growing, or they didn't seem to be bulbing up, and I had all this green growth, and I had heard over and over again, if you have lots of green growth and it's not bulbing, then your onions have too much nitrogen and they're not going to have a nice bulb. But all this rain has helped so much, and now I know that I need to give it so much water, and the onions too, that I should plant them close to each other so that we can get lots and lots of water on those crops. But oh, thank you, Lord. What a beautiful day, guys. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.